What we're going to do in this video is think about different ways to represent multiplication, and especially connect it to the notions of skip counting and the number line. So if we were to think about what 4 times 2 means, we've already seen in other videos, you could view this as 4 groups of 2. So we could have 4 groups, so 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, and 4 groups, and each of them have 2 of something. I'll just put 2 little circles here. So you have 2 there, you have 2 there, you have 2 there, and you have 2 there. And you could also view that as 4 2s, or 4 2s added together. So we could view it as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And this, of course, is going to be 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. We see that over here. We could even skip count 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. We can also think about that on a number line. So I'm going to make a little bit of a number line here. And so we could imagine 4 times 2 being, all right, so this is 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, and 4 times 2. So we started at 0, and we took 4 hops of 2 along the number line to end up at 8. We went from 0 to 2, 4, 6, 8. We just skip counted our way to 8. So if I were to ask a similar question, actually let me draw a series of hops. And I want you to think about it the other way. What multiplication does that represent? So let's say I start here, and then I'm going to hop like this. So I'm going to go there, and then I'm going to go there. I'm taking equal jumps every time. Then I'm going to go there. Then I'm going to go there. And then I'm going to go over there. So what would that represent if we use the same type of ideas that we just thought about? Well, I went from 0 to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I'm skip counting by 4. So you can imagine this is probably something times 4. Now, how many hops did I take? I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hops of 4. So this is 5 times 4. And we can see that we ended up at 20. We could also view this as being the same thing as 5 4s, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And you see that over here. We're starting at 0, we're adding 4, then another 4, then another 4, then another 4, and another 4. We have 5 4s here. Let's do one more. So I'm going to have a number line here, and think about what it would mean to say, do something like 7 times 3 times 3. Well, we could view that as 7 hops of 3 starting at 0, 7 equal hops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We end up at 21. So this is equal to 21. You could also view this as we took 7 3s and added them together. And you could also view it as skip counting. We went from 0 to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. Now, just out of interest, what if we went the other way around? What if we were to take 3 hops of 7? What would that be? Well, we would start here. And so we would take our first hop of 7 right over there. We get to 7. Then if we take another hop of 7, we get to 14. And then if we take another hop of 7, we get to 21. Interesting. At least for this situation, whether we took 7 hops of 3 or 3 hops of 7, we got to the exact same value. I encourage you to think about whether that's always going to be the case. I'll see you in a future video.